So I wanted to share a MonKeyMask NextJS starter template that I made. So if we go over here to monkeymask.cc, go to the developer docs and go to the NextJS starter template. That'll take you to GitHub where you can download this and install it and then run it. So once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. So this is like just the template to get you up and running and start creating your own banana dApps. So we go here and hit connect. Go ahead and connect it. We can go ahead and sign messages. So this is for like doing like sign-ins and logins and proving that the person owns the wallet. And then over here we can also send transactions. We can use BNS addresses. So I'm just going to send it to myself just to show you that it works. Cool. And then you can also do BNS resolution here. And we can see that it resolves to this address. You can also, I also implemented a donation button here. So if you click that, you can see that it sends 100 BAN to the Cosmic account. But you can implement your own kind of method with that. So if you reject it, you can see it says maybe next time. But let me show you what you can actually build doing something like this. So I built this entire digital marketplace using just the NextJS starter template. So if we go ahead and click connect, we can go here, connect our account. So we can see that I own some of these products. So if I go to my library, we can see that the private content, we can go ahead and download that. Or if we go to sell, we can actually create products. So let's go ahead and create a new one. So say that, and whatever for the description, we'll put it at 1 BAN. We can see the creator name is whoever is connected. It just strips off the prefix of BAN underscore. We can select the category here. We can put a product image. So let's just go find one really quick. Let's say we want to use this. Put that, copy image address. And then for private content, let's just say we want to put this one as the private content. Oops. Address. So what I'm doing is I'm basically storing links in a Superbase database. So we create a listing there. You can see that our product was created successfully. We can go back to the banana market here. We can see that it's listed. So we can actually go over here and switch our account. So I need to go ahead and connect the wallet. So our account is now connected. I own a couple of these already, but we don't own this one that we just created. So let's go ahead and buy it now. And you can see that it's transferring 1 BAN to the creator of this product. So the creator instantly gets paid and I instantly get the product. So if we refresh the page, we can see that I own it now. We can go over here and check it. So it's still checking the ownership. We own this product. So if we go to my library, we can see that the content link is here. And yeah, we can view the content. But yeah, that was all made using the NextJS starter kit, completely just from this. And it interacts with MonKeyMask. So hopefully you guys get some cool ideas and start building with it. Catch you guys later.